Hey guys, just a quick update on our kitchen. They did some more demo today. For those who care, they ripped out a lot of the sheetrock. Now you can see just concrete. Our sink and countertop is gone. Kind of see some of the new plumbing work and the old plumbing work. It's kind of a hot mess. I guess we're going to have to make some decisions here when it comes to putting this all back together. But the mold actually ran, all the sheetrock's gone, they ripped all the sheetrock out, the whole length of the kitchen. So right next to the fridge, all the way down, and you can see the concrete, all the way down to the garage door. Tomorrow they'll be back to clean up all the mold. They actually ripped up all the old vinyl tile that was underneath, because there was a lot of mold underneath of that as well. So I don't know what they're going to do with that. But this is our current status, and I'll end it with our fish.